In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to earn interest on Robinhood. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you two options for you to earn interest on Robinhood. It's important to understand that neither option offers high interest rates, but you will be able to execute them nonetheless. So first, Robinhood Cash Sweep Program for uninvested cash. This program allows you to earn interest or uninvested cash in your Robinhood brokerage account. So Robinhood sweeps this cash to partner banks who hold and invest it. The interest rate you earn depends on whether you have a Robinhood Gold subscription. With a standard Robinhood account, you will get 0.01% APY as of May 8th, 2024. If you have a Robinhood Gold membership, you will get 5% of APY as of May 8th, 2024, and there is a monthly fee for Robinhood Gold that you have to consider. So the interest rate is quite low compared to other options like high yield savings account, and the program is subject to change and the APY might fluctuate. Next, you have interest-bearing stocks or bonds, which require investing. You can potentially earn interest by investing in certain stocks or bonds that pay dividends or coupons. Dividends are periodic payments made by companies to their shareholders, and coupons are periodic interest payments made by bond issuers to bondholders. This approach involves buying and selling securities, which carries inherent risks. The value of your investment can go down, and you have to remember that not all stocks or bonds pay dividends or coupons, and the amounts can vary. You will need to research individual securities to understand their interest rates and potential risks. So, some alternative options would include a high yield savings account or a certificate of deposit. I hope I was able to help you on how to earn interest on Robinhood. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.